There's no need to peel the potatoes in this super easy Miracle Whip Rockin' Bacon Ranch Potato Salad. It's chock full of flavor from creamy ranch dressing, bacon, celery, and green onions. Let's start by placing a half a cup of Miracle Whip dressing in a large bowl. Add a quarter cup of Kraft Classic Ranch dressing, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix the dressing, then add 3 pounds of red potatoes that you've cooked and quartered. 3 pounds is about 9 potatoes, depending on the size of the potatoes. Next, add 6 cooked and crumbled slices of Oscar Mayer bacon, 1 stalk of sliced celery, half a cup of thin red pepper strips, and 4 sliced green onions. Gently mix everything together. Cover and refrigerate until you're ready to serve. Miracle Whip Rockin' Bacon Ranch Potato Salad just might become your new go-to side dish to bring to potlucks all summer long. For the complete recipe, visit craftrecipes.com.